Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make green pesto. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Toasting your pine nuts briefly will really bring out their nutty flavor. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious pesto. Now, let's get blending. Add your fresh basil, toasted pine nuts, garlic cloves, and grated Parmesan cheese into your food processor. Pulse these ingredients a few times until they are coarsely chopped. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in the extra virgin olive oil. Continue blending until you achieve a smooth, vibrant green paste. You can adjust the consistency to your liking with a little more oil. Once your pesto is beautifully blended, it's time to season it. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, mixing well to ensure the flavors are perfectly balanced. For storage, transfer your homemade pesto to an airtight container. To prevent browning, press a layer of plastic wrap directly onto the surface before sealing. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for about 1 week, or you can freeze it for longer enjoyment. Your homemade green pesto is now ready to elevate any meal. It's fantastic tossed with your favorite pasta, spread generously on a fresh sandwich, or even used as a flavorful dip for vegetables and bread. A final drizzle of olive oil just before serving adds a lovely touch and keeps it looking vibrant. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, fresh pesto.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.